चैप्टर मोशन। अगला टॉपिक है डेरिवेशन ऑफ थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन बाय ग्राफिकल मेथड और v स्क्वायर इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2as बाय ग्राफिकल मेथड। v स्क्वायर इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2as को ही थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन कहते हैं। इसको प्रूफ करने के लिए हम लोगों को वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ खींचना पड़ेगा। तो वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ खींचने के लिए हम लोगों को एक्स एक्सिस चाहिए और दूसरा वाई एक्सिस चाहिए। सबसे पहले हम लोग एक्स एक्सिस ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं। दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस, दिस इज वाई एक्सिस। एक्स एक्सिस डिनोटिंग टाइम, वाई एक्सिस डिनोटिंग वेलोसिटी। This is the slope of the velocity time graph denoted by AB. Therefore, AB is the slope of velocity time graph. At point A, object is here and the initial velocity of object is u. When object move from a point A to a point B, cover a distance s in time t, and when object move from a point A to a point B, its velocity changes and the velocity of object at point B is v, denoted by v. Now we write the given graph is a velocity time graph for an object under uniform acceleration, and AB is the slope of the velocity time graph. This graph shows that the initial velocity is not zero and the velocity increases uniformly with time. When an object moves from a point A to a point B, the object travels a distance s in time interval t. Therefore, at point A, initial velocity of object equal to u. At point B, final velocity of object equal to v, and the total distance traveled by an object equal to s. Also, time taken by an object to travel a distance s equal to t, and the acceleration of an object equal to a. Now from graph, draw perpendicular from a point B to x-axis. This is C, means BC is perpendicular on x-axis, and this point is denoted by O. O means the origin. Now we draw the perpendicular on y-axis from point B. Since final velocity is denoted by v, so this point is denoted by v, means BV is perpendicular on y-axis. Now we know that distance traveled by an object in time t equal to area of trapezium. From figure, OABC is a trapezium. So the name of trapezium is OABC. And we know that the area of trapezium equal to 1/2 into sum of parallel side into height. A distance traveled by an object in time t. Distance traveled is denoted by s. So we put here s equal to 1/2 into from figure. OABC is a trapezium, so parallel sides are BC and OA, and height is OC. From figure, BC is V, OA is U, and OC is T. Means at point C the time equal to T, so OC is T. Put in equation, BC is V plus OA is U, bracket close, multiply OC is T. S equal to 1/2 into B plus U into, put the value of T. The T is V minus U from first equation of motion. V equal to U plus AT, V minus U equal to AT, V minus U by A equal to T. Means the value of T equal to V minus U by A. So we put here. Therefore S इक्वल टू 1/2 को A से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2A, ब्रैकेट में V प्लस U इंटू V माइनस U. S इक्वल टू 1/2A इंटू V स्क्वायर माइनस U स्क्वायर. Since we know that A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square, using this formula. S equal to V square minus U square by 2A. Getting cross multiplication, we get V square minus U square बराबर 2AS. माइनस यू स्क्वायर को इस तरफ ले जाएंगे तो प्लस यू स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. प्लीज इंप्लाइज डैट V स्क्वायर बराबर U स्क्वायर प्लस 2AS. This is the third equation of motion by graphical method. So we prove it. Means this is the mathematical form of third equation of motion. And this equation can be proved by graphical method. Thank you.